He asked the different people he met about finding a place to eat and sleep for the night.
There's not a bit to eat in the whole county, they told him. You better keep moving on.
So these are the people who told the soldier there is no food. So you should keep moving on. Don't stay in our village. Oh, I have everything I need, he said. In fact, I would like to make some stone soup to share with all of you. He pulled a big black cooking pot from his wagon. He filled it with water and built a fire under it. Then he reached slowly into his knapsack. While several villagers watched, he pulled a plain grey stone from a cloth bag and dropped it into the water. By now hearing about the magic stone, most of the villagers were surrounding the soldier and the cooking pot. As the soldier sniffed the stone soup and licked, the villagers began to overcome their lack of trust. Ah, the soldier said aloud to himself, I would like to taste stone soup. Of course, the stone soup with cabbage is even better. Soon, a villager ran from his house into the village square holding a cabbage. I have this cabbage from my garden, he said as he held it out for the soldier.
Fantastic!
Cried the soldier. The soldier cut the cabbage and added it to the pot.
You know, I once had stone soup with cabbage and a bit of beef, and it was delicious.
This is, said the soldier, to get attraction of the villagers. Then the butcher said he thought he could find some beef scraps. As he ran back his shop, other villagers offered bits of vegetable from their own garden. Potatoes, onion, carrots, celery. Soon the big black pot was bubbling and steaming. When the soup was ready, everybody in the village ate a bowl of soup and it was delicious. The villagers offered the soldier money and other treasures for the magic stone, but he refused to sell it. He had many offers for court to sleep on that night. The next day, he traveled on his way. So kids, do you listen the story? Do you know what is the moral of story? Hamza, do you know what is moral of story?
Who is going to answer? What?